Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade Leche Flan step by step. Start by melting 1 cup sugar into a golden caramel and pour into your mold carefully. Whisk 8 egg yolks with condensed milk, evaporated milk, and 1 teaspoon vanilla until smooth, avoiding excess foam. Strain the mixture, pour over caramel, cover with foil, and bake in a water bath for a silky texture. Gently whisking and straining are the keys to a smooth Leche Flan. Use a slow circular motion to combine egg yolks, condensed milk, evaporated milk, and vanilla, keeping bubbles to a minimum. Pour the mixture through a fine sieve into the caramel-lined mold to remove any solids or foam. Cover the mold tightly with foil so steam won't drip onto the custard while it cooks in the water bath. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. I spotted a book that can truly change how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth, which made me rethink saving and treats like homemade Leche Flan as simple joys. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if helpful, give it a look. Now let's get back to the video. Bake your flan in a water bath at 325 degrees F until the center still jiggles slightly when shaken, which ensures a creamy set. Remove carefully from the oven and let it cool on the counter to room temperature before placing it in the fridge. Chilling for at least 4 hours or overnight helps the custard firm up and make slicing easier, resulting in glossy caramel and perfect portions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.